Oh wait, ah! Dude, I see him! Wow! Holy smokes!
And this is the story of a group of friends chasing the Aurora Borealis. So I just got off the phone with my friend Matthew, and they're coming to pick us up right now. Apparently, it's firing all over the US right now. Dude, it seems like it's happening. I can't imagine we won't see something tonight, but we're gonna head about an hour east of here into Glacier National Park and see what we can find. I'm so excited. This is insane. It's something I've wanted to see for a really long time, and tonight might just be the night to make it happen. The taxi has arrived. Wow.
Oh, that is a bright light.
Good morning. This is Dude, we're cozy as heck 7 deep in here.
Dude, I got room. I'm like sliding around actually.
We're chilling.
So the night began around 10:30 p.m. when a group of friends picked us up from our apartment. We headed towards Glacier National Park with a truck filled with people and hopeful hearts. At this point, we were all shocked at how many people were out and about in basically the middle of the night. There were cars everywhere, and along our drive, we passed hundreds of vehicles that were pulled off to the side, hoping for their chance to see the lights. But it wasn't long before somebody in our vehicle noticed that we were in for a treat.
Oh wait, ah! Dude, I see him! Wow! Holy smokes! Look at it out there, it's a green streak! Oh! That's so sick! Dude! Yeah!
Eventually, we arrived in Glacier National Park with pretty much every other person from any of the surrounding towns and made our way through the crowd to a good viewing spot. It was really cool because at this point, I had my camera out, and then there was a photographer right next to me with a camera on a tripod. And with each photo that he took, he would always have a great reaction and was super excited about everything that he was seeing. The cameras were able to pick up the lights fairly well, but we couldn't see much with our naked eye.
Check this photograph he just got. Hey.
That is I think that's the most vibrant I've seen so far.
So
I wish I could have my fisheye.
We waited around for 20 to 30 minutes, and the morale was getting low. The photographer next to us decided to switch his camera around to point the opposite direction, and that changed everything. I noticed his reaction to his photo, and so I too began to look that way and noticed the green hue in the sky. And with that, literally the whole crowd, everyone along the beach, started hooting and hollering. Everyone was so stoked, and the show began. The lights started moving directly above us, and we could literally see it changing with our eyes. And this was the moment that made this entire journey worth it.